Right, a recommendation, I got myself a air popcorn blower, whatever it may be. I normally use a saucepan and just fry them up in there, but I thought I'd give these a go. I think it was $12.99 delivered, so not that expensive. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, got some popcorn boxes with it. I'm going to unwrap it and give it a go. Seems fairly well packed. Instructions. Smaller than I thought it would be, but I don't know what I expected really. Yes, quite tiny really. Right, got everything ready. I'm going to have a read through the instructions and then give it a whirl. See what results we get. Instructions all seem fairly basic, so it's just a scoop in. I've got my popcorn here, got my bowl ready, so I'm going to give it a go. Scoop in. Oh. That goes back in there. A bit careful really. Get this out of the way. And then switch it on. Right. It's quite noisy. The lead could do with being a bit longer. I have to sort of stretch it to the plug. Oh, so we got something going on. Popcorn out. Oh, really going now. Looks like it's done. Turn it off. A few more kernels coming through than when I normally do in the saucepan, but pretty good. Right, quite successful and more healthy, no doubt. Yeah, £12.99. Can't beat it.
Yeah, thanks.
What's it like? Good?